Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Friday, 15th of April. And guys, it seems like the Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is looking at this point of time. And if you want to actually go and watch the Bitcoin update, can you just do that? Because Bitcoin right now, to notice how Bitcoin is moving is really quite important at this point of time. So SLP at the moment, it seems like it's finding a little bit of support at the 1.272 right now. So it's not losing the 1.272, it's still holding this level. But to me, man, this still doesn't seem like it's a level that's going to be held for so long, especially with how Bitcoin is losing support right now. It's a very clear loss of support. By the way Bitcoin is looking like. So probably the statement still remains the same like before, that considering how that if you start to come down, lose the 162, you take 162 completely, then you're looking to actually make a deep retracement all the way to the 1.618 right over there, which is the 0.0145, and it has been a technical target because of this impulsive move low and the high right over there. Taking the fib retracements, all you did is, if I actually zoom in a little bit, you came down, find the 0.618 right over here, lose the 0.618, which is normally the golden ratio. Breaking out of it takes you all the way down to these levels right near this place, right? So that's something that I'm looking forward, I'm looking to. This is something that can happen, will happen maybe potentially, but that's the near-term Fibonacci retracements level. So let's actually take the bigger fib retracements level as well. So here we are, and right now I just want to actually do some fib tradings, taking this bottom to this top right here, this impulsive move to the upside. So what you do is you lay down the bottom here all the way to that top right over there, and let's see what happens. Okay, so if you do notice, that's the 0.618157 of the fib retracement. Okay, so once you do start to come down to the 0.618, the last time that you did so, just notice how you went from here, you went down to the golden ratio, which was the 0.618, and you hold the golden ratio, and that's the reason why you were bouncing off the golden ratio. You went to the 0.236. You can see it was a clear resistance right over here. Fib retracements, guys, fib retracements, amazing. So let's say you do start to come down on the and lose the 157 on a higher fib retracement. It takes you down to 121, which is the 0.786. But on a low time fib retracement, which is this bottom to this top, this can actually take you all the way down to 145 level. So 145 level is a place that is based on this fib retracement from there to there, takes you down to the 145. And watch the Bitcoin update, because if Bitcoin does start to get bullish, if it starts to get bullish, we might see SLP also starting to move to the upside. But to me, guys, it seems like the only chance for SLP to start to go to the upside maybe is if it actually starts to come and take out this level, which is going to be the 0.0185. So if you start to come down and you take this spinning top highest point, which is 185, then potentially the direction of SLP might start to reverse to the upside a little bit, because you're breaking bullish out of a bearish candlestick, right? So there's a small clue that can actually tell you that this could be your bottom, which is not, in my opinion. You still have the targets to the downside, to the 145. That's what I'm still expecting, unless you don't start to actually go break the 185. Then this is where you might actually just say that it's getting bullish, and that would also mean that Bitcoin might also get bullish as well. So if these two matches one another, then bye this is the end, and from here you start to go to the upside. Okay, and that's it for SLP update, guys. Do join the Discord as well. This is where I also post very quick updates on Discord, and if you want to check out my trading course as well, do check it out. If you want to pay $29 instead of 49, you can pay 29 if you join the Discord and message me on the Discord to pay with cryptocurrency. And that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.